ఎయిత్ క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లోని ఆల్ లెసన్స్ గ్లోజరీ ఒకే వీడియోలో చేశాను. లిజన్. ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ గ్లోజరీ. తిన్నా, సిట్ అవుట్, ఎలివేటెడ్ ప్లేస్ ఆన్ ద వరండా. ఫ్యూటైల్, అన్సక్సెస్ఫుల్. హడిల్డ్, held arms and legs closed because of fear or cold. Reluctantly, not willing to do something. Screwing up eyes, narrowing the eyes to look more carefully. On toes, busy, ready to work. Mumbling, speaking unclearly or quietly. Exasperately, very annoyed. Kesari Yogam, well settled in Malayalam. Tattered, torn. Irritation, annoyance. Hover, remain in the air. Surely, small white or orange flowers that bloom in autumn. Scent, perfume or good smell. నెక్స్ట్ 8th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్లోని సెకండ్ లెసన్ గ్లోజరీ. బీడిల్, an official of a church. Parish, a church committee. Oakum, loose fiber obtained by untwisting and picking apart old ropes. Surely, serious or angry. Gruel, a thin liquid food of oats, rice, etc. Devoured, ate hungrily or quickly. Appetite, the desire to eat, hunger. Voracious, wanting great qualities of food. Stupefied, shocked, paralyzed, became motionless. Ladle, a long handled spoon used to serve liquids. Countenance, a person's face or facial expression. Confinement, putting in a prison or a closed room. Apprentice, one who works under a skilled person. Weary, tired and lost all the strength. Meadows, land that is covered with grass. Merely, only, sorely, in a painful manner. Drooping, hanging downward. Pale, not bright or light in color. నెక్స్ట్ 8th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్లోని థర్డ్ లెసన్ గ్లోజరీ. పీచ్ ట్రీస్, ట్రీస్ bearing round fruit with soft red and yellow skin. Springtime, the season between winter and summer when plants begin to grow. Delicate blossoms, tender flowers. Castle, large strong building with strong and thick walls. Trespassers, persons who go into land without permission. Whispering, speaking quietly. Scatter, disperse, spread over. Cloak, a type of coat that has no sleeves. Wrapped, covered or dressed. Rejoiced, expressed great happiness. Chimney pot, a short wide pipe placed on top of chimney. Delightful, very pleasant, charming. Linnet bird, a small brown and grey bird. Hail, small balls of ice that fall like rain. Keys, stop happening. Twittering, making a series of short high sounds. Sneeze, suddenly expel air from the nose and mouth due to irritation in one's nostrils. Feeble, lacking strength. Hath, has. Thee, you. Slay, kill. Art, are. Thou, you. It fits and starts. in a sudden and irregular manner. Petal, a delicate colored part of a flower. Bestowed, gave. Bowers, a pleasant place in the shade of tree. Nutritious, good. Reaps, gives. Spirit, inner feelings or mood. Gratitude, thankfulness. Goal, something that you hope to achieve. నెక్స్ట్ 8th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్లోని 4th లెసన్ గ్లోసరీ. క్రింక్లీ, విత్ మెనీ ఫోల్డ్స్ ఆర్ లైన్స్. awfully, very badly, unpleasantly. Million, 10 lakhs. Telebooks, books seen or read on a television or computer screen. Attic, a space just below the roof, used as a storeroom. Scornful, contemptuous, think something is worthless. Slot, a given space, time, or position. Patted, hit repeatedly. Disappointed, upset. Geared, adjusted to a particular standard or level. Loftily, in a superior way. Regular teacher, a mechanical teacher. Betcha, I am sure. Dispute, disagree with. Dispute, disagree with. Screamed, gave a loud cry. Probably, likely to happen. Beneath, below. Mechanical, connected with machines operated by power. Nonchalantly, not showing much interest. Jitters, makes nervous. Emitting, sending out light. Bluish, blue in color. Grin, smile broadly. Elevate, rise to a higher level. Pile, lay things one on top of another. Exhale, breathe out. Course, routine task. Alibis, excuses. Tether, a rope for tying an animal. Tether, a rope for tying an animal. Grandize, planned on a large scale. నెక్స్ట్ 8th క్లాస్ ఇంగ్లీష్లో 5th లెసన్ గ్లోసరీ. నైట్మేర్, ఫ్రైటనింగ్ డ్రీమ్. సైక్, మైండ్ ఆర్ మెంటాలిటీ. క్యానింగ్, పనిష్మెంట్ ఆర్ బీటింగ్. చోర్ పోలీస్, చిల్డ్రన్స్ గేమ్. థీఫ్ అండ్ పోలీస్. స్ట్రాటజీస్, మెథడ్స్ ఆఫ్ విన్నింగ్. అకాడమిక్స్, ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ మ్యాటర్స్. బుక్స్, స్టడీస్, డిస్కషన్స్. బుక్, offered to buy in advance. Stumbled on, got into, by chance. Architecture, the art and study of designing buildings. Offbeat, unusual. Calling, work of his choice. Cakewalk, something easy to achieve. Defied, broke. Instinctively, naturally. Ammunition, supply of bullets. Curriculum, the subjects that are included in a course of study. Contention, disagreement between people. Contention, angry disagreement between people. Spontaneously, without planning. Disciplines, the subjects of study. Exaggeration, an overstatement. Sophisticated, advanced and complicated in the way they work. Stringent, strict. Client, customer. Multifaceted, having many faces or branches. Offshore, at a distance from the seashore. Compliance, conformity in fulfilling official requirement. Internship, training to gain practical experience. Procurement, obtaining the required material. Next, sixth lesson glossary. Mandatory, compulsory. Wonder, wish to know. Drab, dull. Pelt, throw, shoot. Giggle, laugh in a silly way. Babble, a talk difficult to understand. Pensive, serious. Hesitantly, unwillingly, or uncertainly. Expectantly, hopeful of something. Intersect, crossing each other at a point. Headgear, a piece of cloth worn on head. Jubilant, very happy. Resolve, solve. Not, fostering. Vibrant, active. Compelling, extremely interesting. Twirl, turn something round and round. Fatal, causing death. Captive, prisoner. Passion, strong feeling. Choreography, art of arranging steps for a dance. Ardent, serious. Oblivion, state of being unnoticed. Carve nick, build reputation. Reverent, filled with honor. Nuance, subtle difference. Connoisseur, judge of an art. Coveted, liked by everyone to have. Stupendous, amazingly large. Next, seventh lesson glossary. Exhaustion, extreme tiredness. Vanish, disappear, mutter. Complain about something privately. Savor, enjoy eating. Elated, very happy, excited. Sumptuous, grand. Wretched, very unhappy, miserable. Uphill, difficult. Dignified, deserving respect. Adept, a natural ability to do something skillfully. Drudgery, hard, boring work. Perplex, confuse. Not, nothing or zero. Rage, come with force. Stunted, prevented from growth. Canopy, a cover fixed over something for shelter. Respite, a short period of rest. Squall, a strong wind. Next, eighth lesson glossary. Adulation, admiration, praise. Vivacious, cheerful. Virulent, dangerous. Shy away, avoid something that you dislike. Epilepsy, a disease of the nervous system that causes a person to fall unconsciousness. Revered, respected or admired deeply. Commemorate, keep a great person, event, etc. in people's memories. Venerated, respected. Septuagenarian, a person who crossed 70 years. Memorabilia, objects that are collected in memory of persons and events. Vagabond, a person who has no home and usually no job and who travels from place to place. Abscond, escape, to go away suddenly and secretly in order to escape. Stroll, a slow, relaxed walk. Generosity, the nature of giving money, time, gifts, etc. Ache out, earn. Menace, something that is likely to cause harm. Incessant, never stopping, especially in an annoying or unpleasant way.